Age and insurability. This is super common. I love this picture of the little guy with the glasses on. So I get this all the time. What if I'm too old or I'm uninsurable? Is it, or you know what, geez, is it better that I insure my kids because they're young? It must be better to insure them because they're young. Well, the answer is it really depends. What are you trying to accomplish? What is the purpose of what you're doing? How much are you going to use? Is there actually an insurability issue? Like, do we know someone's uninsurable, or are we looking at a rated policy? I haven't met anybody, I would say, that's too old for this. I have met people that are uninsurable. If you're uninsurable, that's okay. Maybe it's not okay for you, but as far as infinite banking is concerned, it's okay, as long as we can find somebody else to insure, another body. If our focus is on accumulating the cash pool using the contract, we can, generally speaking, do that. We just have to figure out who you have an insurable interest in.